for being part of my 10th anniversary concert. Grabe po, kayo po talaga ilan sa mga taong bata pa lang ako. I've been watching you guys. Isa po kayo sa mga inspirasyon ko. Sa lahat, maraming salamat Tito Oaks. Nakikita niyo po, napakaklingi talaga namin. Pero hindi po talaga ako nagkamali sa mga iniidolo. You know, you've inspired a lot of us, not just here in the music industry, but also in my personal life. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for being an inspiration.
You know, I think that at this point, Darren, you're standing on this stage, and you are the inspiration for many of these.
Yes.
Many of these people.
Tingnan mo naman. Grabe ang tangkad yung tatlo, no? Nakita ko rin eh. Alam mo, Darren, nalulula ako. Nalulula ako doon sa taas. No, pero nalulula ako sa dami ng nagmamahal sa'yo.
Sobra.
Darrenatics. Grabe. We are
Grabe.
so proud.
Darren, I just have to say, thank you for not calling me Tito. Maraming salamat dahil Kuya lang.
Tito Eric, Tito Gary, Kuya Ogie.
Next time po.
Huwag natin binabago ang script, Kuya. Hindi. Alam mo, everybody with me na you are the best male performer of your generation.
Now,
You are.
salamat.
Tama, di ba? Kaya, alam mo, ang advice ko lang sa'yo is to just continue to hone your craft, continue to love the people who love you. Ang dami-dami nila, grabe. And continue to love what you do. And you will go places even more.
Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Ako gusto ko paglaki ko. Nakakatawa yun? There, gusto ko maging katulad mo, Darren. You're such a good person. You're so humble. You're so hardworking. Napakasipag po nito. Napaka-generous. Keep being the way you are. We love you, Darren. We
Thank you
love you.
po. Salamat Tito Oaks.
You know, I think one of the most important things tonight is that kaya nandito silang lahat dahil maliban sa pagiging extremely good-looking,
Wow!
I think more than that is
Nagmana
that
po sa inyong
nararamdaman.
tatlo.
Ha?
Nagmana po ako sa inyong
Oh,
tatlo.
buti alam mo.
syempre.
Ganun talaga.
Banda rito eh, banda rito.
Banda doon. Banda dito naman tayo dahil
dito naman
natin sa kanilang lahat eh.
Yeah, eh.
No, what I want to say is that I think one big reason why people love you and people of all ages are here tonight. But it's because of this, Darren. It's your sincerity, it's your authenticity sa ginagawa mo on stage. And that's not easy to come by nowadays. You are not here to impress people, you are here to just express what's in your heart. At parang nadadama nilang lahat yan. I've been around for 40 years, and you're around for 10 years. I'm hoping I can still be around on your 40th year.
Wow! Oo naman po, Tito Gary.
You're still going to be strong, if not even stronger than you are today.
Thank you po.
So
Maraming
proud of
salamat.
you talaga.
Thank you po. Really means so much. I would have never imagined again na, syempre, I'd be on the stage with all three of you. It means so much. Maraming salamat po ulit from the bottom of my heart for saying yes to being a part of my 10 years, for celebrating it with me here tonight. Thank you po. Okay.
You're
Congrats,
very, very
Darren.
Congratulations.
Salamat po. Ayan, Araneta! Once again, give it up for Mr. Eric Santos!
Thank you!
Mr. Augie Alcacid! And Mr. Gary Valenciano! Maraming salamat po. Thank you guys so much.
Congrats, Darren.
Thank you. Hindi ka
Concert ni Darren to, Kuya.
Tara na.